Om Sri Matre Namaha. Welcome to today's sloka. Today's sloka Surya Devuni Prarthana on the occasion of Radha Saptami. This sloka is a prayer to Lord Surya for wisdom, health and the removal of negativity. It is especially recited on Radha Saptami to seek his blessings. जपाकुसुमशङ्काशं काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं तमोरिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम् जपाकुसुमशङ्काशं काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं तमोरिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम् जपाकुसुमशङ्काशं काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं तमोरिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम्. Meaning of the sloka. Japakusuma Shankasham, the one who shines like the red hibiscus flower. Japakusuma. Kashyapeyam Mahadyutim, the son of sage Kashyapa, who possesses immense radiance and brilliance. Tamorim Sarva Papagnam, the destroyer of darkness and remover of all sins. Pranatoshmi Divakaram, I bow down to Divakara, the sun god, the giver of light. Namaste.